Here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day today. I'm super excited to go over the mod that we added to this beautiful SS. Without further ado, let's dive into it and show you the cool carbon parts that was added to the Chevy Camaro. One of the cool things that we added that we just got in stock is the ZL1 1LE one-piece Anderson Composites carbon fiber spoiler. This spoiler is one of my best and favorite spoilers when it comes to upgrading to the 1LE wing style. It's a one-piece wing. You don't have to make any adjustments to the legs nor the winglets on the side. Everything is ready to go. All we had to do is make custom drills for the OEM carbon fiber trunk that we added also for our client. This combination, given the trunk and the spoiler, the both carbon fiber feel with accenting with the gloss black, is an amazing, luxurious, sporty look. Our client wanted this look. He was definitely wanting to get the carbon fiber, but to add the final touch with the trunk, it gave the Camaro a definitely much better aggressive appearance. As you guys saw earlier, while we're doing the install on the rear diffuser, our client had a diffuser that was over his OEM diffuser, which made his rear bumper kind of poke out in the back a little bit more, which kind of covered his exhaust. One of the cool things that he has is exhaust. He wanted to show it off and display it. By that, we added the Anderson Composites Type AZ rear diffuser, giving his car a complete carbon fiber touch to it, taking off the rear diffuser and adding the whole thing. The cool thing about the Type AZ carbon diffuser, if you go down, it has an awesome 3-sided to 4-sided chin fins in carbon fiber, give it an aggressive diffuser appearance, and on top of that, the quad tips with Borla attack. This appearance right here is definitely more aggressive than the OEM. I love how it looks. It's a must-have. This product is on order. Everything that we've added for the Gen 6 is, first of all, we added the carbon fiber OEM style trunk. With that being said, in order to install the 1LE wing in carbon fiber, we custom made 2 sets of holes on each side for each leg to make sure everything sits nice and flush. So now he's rocking the carbon fiber trunk with the carbon fiber wing. And to go down the bottom, lastly, we added the diffuser, which gave his car a much more aggressive appearance, and it's definitely something that I recommend. So if you guys wish to get this diffuser, make sure you contact us. We are taking orders for this diffuser right now. You guys can't miss this out. Our license plate Gen 6 Camaro from 2016 to 2020 is now available. It's extremely bright. You guys saw the highlights when we had the lights turned off. It's a must-have LED bulb that's just gonna make your car a whole different look at night. So you definitely wanna show off your license plate, and it also reflects on the carbon fiber diffuser to kind of pop the carbon fiber. So if you guys want those license plates, everything that was purchased on this build will be linked in the description below to make sure you guys can order the parts and purchase them. I am so excited, guys. I can't wait, and I can't believe that we made all this carbon install for our client in one night. And we appreciate his support in business. His trust means a lot to us. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. We have so many builds that we want to show you guys, so you guys are fully alerted. Don't forget to hit the bell button, so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. What's next? You guys gotta stay tuned for that. More carbon, more wraps, more special style builds coming for you guys. I will see you guys soon. Peace. Here we go. The Gen 6 with the carbon fiber setup. All around diffuser, the spoiler, just with the bow tie completed all around. Just a whole different look. It's something way more aggressive than what it's seen. It's super clean. The contrast with the gloss black is something that I'm actually really satisfied to see on the car. Extremely clean finish. Now, we noticed something that when around your license plate that, you know, it's kind of something dim, so we decided to add to the license plate LED white lights. Kind of shows off the whole diffuser, and it gives you that more luxury look, right? So you're carboned out on the rear, we gotta make sure we take care of you on that. So both LEDs will display going all around, and of course it gives it a little bit of a highlight.
That's hot.
Yeah. And see the tips now, you can actually see it, right? It's kind of like, hey, like I can actually see my tips.
My boiler.
Right, there you go. And then the whole diffuser appearance, all carbon. This used to be the regular. So all that is nice and flush. Fentment, please look at it. One of my favorites. The fact that we know how to work with their carbon components is something that we really appreciate. So the fentment on it is extremely well.
Yeah.
So which is kind of nice.
That's hot.
So I can't really